Hello, Dr. Daylab here from Steinway Family Dental Center. We get a lot of questions about cosmetic dentistry, what is it, and so on. So today we're going to answer some of the most common questions that we get from you, our viewers. The first question we have is, what is cosmetic dentistry? Well, cosmetic dentistry is something that dealt with in the mouth, right? Dentistry, therefore it has to do with teeth. And it's not because somebody has a cavity, right? It's something to improve cosmetic looks of the person. The next question is, how would I know if cosmetic dentistry is for me or my family? Well, if you like the way you look, if you like the way your smile is, then cosmetic dentistry may be not for you. If you want to improve it, then cosmetic dentistry is for you. The next question is, what is the difference between cosmetic dentistry and general dentistry? Well, it is the purpose, right? The purpose of general dentistry is to address general problems in the mouth. The purpose of cosmetic dentistry is to address not just general, but cosmetic problem of the mouth. For example, let's say if your smile is not perfect and you want to align it better, or you want to change it by putting veneers on it, that is cosmetic dentistry. If you have a cavity, that is a general dentistry. The next question is, how a cosmetic dentist can fix my teeth? Well, they will fix your teeth in consideration of the total cosmetics of your mouth, right? They would measure it against your smile, measure how much of it are you showing, what would you like to look like in the end, not just health-wise, but also what would you like to be viewed as, like look like. The next question is, can cosmetic dentistry improve my smile? I would say absolutely. That is the purpose of cosmetic dentistry, is to improve your smile. Next question is, can cosmetic dentistry fix an overbite? In some cases, it can, yes. The next question is, can cosmetic dentist fix crooked teeth? And the answer is absolutely. That is one of the purposes of cosmetic dentistry, to fix crooked teeth. The next question is, how old should a child be before considering cosmetic dentistry? And I would suggest that the child should at least have all permanent teeth present before considering cosmetic services. The next question is there any point that somebody is too old or not well enough to get the cosmetic services? The answer is probably not. There's different procedures that could be done, and based on your ability to receive the treatment, you would be treated in accordance with your health. The next question we have is, what other conditions can be improved by cosmetic dentistry? Well, you can improve your self-confidence with that. The next question is, how can cosmetic dentistry improve the structure of my mouth? Well, once you get enough, let's say, vertical dimension or the height of your teeth, and you show enough of them, it is, of course, going to improve your overall structure, like skeletal structure. So that would make you smile more and show it more, and it would be just beautiful smile. The next question is, when the cosmetic dentistry considered it to be an oral surgery procedure? Well, for example, there are people that have very long lower jaw, right? Lower jaw, and it's like too long, and you can see that the upper teeth are barely seen, and the lower jaw is protruding too much. So in that case, the oral surgery can do, it's called orthodontic surgery, and it would be cosmetic as well as functional procedures. So they would measure and put the jaws in the correct relationship between the upper and the lower jaw. And for that, they can either move the upper jaw or move the lower jaw. The next question we have, what are the advantages and benefits of cosmetic dentistry? Well, first of all, once you have beautiful smile, you will be showing your smile to a lot more people. So yes, you will make more friends. So those are all benefits, right? There's also health benefits. If you have correctly positioned teeth, you can chew your food properly. Therefore, your digestive system will not suffer. So that is another benefit. The next question is, what is the process I should expect when I'm going through cosmetic dentistry procedures? Well, first of all, you need to fully be examined. You should explain to your doctor what is your goal, what would you like to have at the end of the treatment, and together with the doctor, you would find a path for your ultimate health, and cosmetic procedures would be done as well, so you can be smiling and you can reach your goals. The next question is, what should I consider when I'm looking for cosmetic dentist? What you should look for is to see that somebody who has A, experience, and B, has the education in the subject matter. So you want somebody who has done few cases. Obviously, I'll look online and see if you like the dentist and so on. It is a lengthy process, so you do want to get along with that dentist. So check the reviews, look at the before and after pictures, see if you like what you see, and then get a consultation. And only after that you should decide whether it is a match for you or not. Next question is cosmetic dentistry painful? Well, I would say all dentistry is not painful, but it is just uncomfortable. And I'm sure all of us had some kind of experience that we did not like. And because of that, even dentists don't want to go to the dentist, right? But no, it's not painful. The next question is, what anesthesia options would be available to me for me to get the cosmetic dental procedures? And sometimes it would require no anesthetic at all. And sometimes you would have local anesthetic. In a very rare occasion, you would need general anesthesia, and that would be done by either oral surgeon or anesthesiologist. The next question is, how long will it take for you to recover from the cosmetic dental procedure? The answer to that is that you recover almost immediately. Of course, if your teeth have changed, your enunciation of the letters may be a little different, but once you forget that you have something in your mouth, you will be speaking perfectly. So, and it's an improvement anyway, so I would say right away. The next question is, would I need to follow any specific directions after cosmetic dentistry? And you should talk to your dentist about that. And depending on the procedure that you have, it could be that you do need to have, well, number one, of course, you need to come and see your dentist regularly, see hygienist regularly, and of course, you have to brush and floss at home. Is there anything other than that? That would be determined by the dentist doing cosmetic procedures for you. The next question is cosmetic dentistry covered by insurance? In most cases, no, it is not covered procedure, because insurance companies notoriously want to write their contract with you, the patient, and they would exclude cosmetic procedures. For example, whitening, there is no insurance in the world that would cover that. The next question is there any financing available to me since my insurance would not help covering it? Well, the answer is yes. There are a few options, for example, that we have here, and each office is different, but there are different payment plans that you can choose for yourself, whichever is making you more comfortable to get your dentistry done. The next question is, how can I schedule an appointment to discuss cosmetic dentistry? Well, you can call us at 718-728-3314 and ask to schedule with the dentist for consultation or examination. Or you can just simply go online on alldentalneeds.com and request an appointment with one of our dentists. Those are all the questions that we have so far about cosmetic dentistry. I hope we'll be able to shed some light on it and help you to choose whether it is for you or not for you to get cosmetic dentistry. But if you're still on the fence about that, simply call us at 718-728-3314. Come over and let's see what you would like to have and how we can get you there. Or just go online on alldentalneeds.com and request an appointment. And I'm looking forward personally to walk you through this path so you're comfortable all the way.